Beat it up, that's your nigga, he be eating up. All on the blogs with the sneaky stuff. He in my phone with the cheating up. I got your dude in my coupe, ooh. Yes, he be cheating on you, ooh. Eat up the sauce and the drip, too. He gon' do what I want him to do. Eat it up, that's your nigga, he be beating up. All on my blogs with the sneaky stuff. He in my phone, he be cheating up. I got your dude in my coupe, ooh. Yeah, he gon' cheat on you, ooh. Eat up the sauce and the drip, too. He gon' do what I want him to do. I say eat it up, bitch. I'm in your house, my feet is a bitch. I'm in your kitchen, I'm geeking a bitch. Gripping the smith and the heat is a bitch. Chicken, I'm on a mission. Need me no nigga, I need me some glisten. Need me some hundreds and need me some fit.
What's up, you guys? Oh my god, it has been such a long time since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back, you know. This look, I don't know. They say this look is giving like a mermaid, but I got kind of a unicorn feel from it, and you really can't see the true color with this camera, which irks me. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. All in all, this look has came through, pulled through, and conquered all. Yeah, so if you guys want to see the finished look, I'm not even gonna talk too much because it's been such a long time. Then be sure to keep watching right now. Okay, so now I have my base done. I'm taking my Morphe 35B and I'm using that purple and I'm putting it in the crease. But before I do that, I need to highlight these brow bones and really bring them to life, honey. So this is the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I'm using that bronze shade, and I'm really hitting that brow bone where it hurts. Oh, and I'm doing the other side. And now we are back with this Papa Bitch purple, and I'm taking my MAC 224 and I'm doing windshield wiper motions like it's raining on my eyelids, girl. And we are just packing on that transition shades real cute. And now I'm taking this deeper Papa Bitch purple and I'm going to be carving out this elongated cut crease, and I am using my Real Perfection brush, and this is their number 8 brush, and we are just packing on that color right underneath of that lighter Papa Bitch purple, really giving us a nice snatch. Oh, look at me feeling myself like I'm a bad bitch already. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I was just singing, but I was feeling it, girl. And we're going back into that same palette, and we're taking an even deeper, more bolder purple in that in that Morphe 35B, and I'm using my Juvias brush, and this is the 230 brush, and I am just really getting that crease defined. And now I'm finna cut the crease Jackie Chan Wendy Wu Homecoming War using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Porcelain. And as you can see, I put it on my lid, and I looked up to see where my true lid space was, and yeah, cutting that crease. You cannot tell me anything. You know, B. Marie is the cut crease queen, and I'm the cut crease clapback queen, okay? We already discussed this. And we are cutting this crease to the fullest extent of the law. Now, if you are a lazy hoe such as myself, you might want to use a blow dryer to really get your cut crease space dry. And now I'm using that purple in the Morphe 35B, and I'm putting that on the space that we just cut, honey. And this, I don't know, this purple really touched my spirit because it has a holographic undertone to it, and it's real cute. So now I'm finna line my eyes using the Wet n Wild H20 Proof Liner. And just like I cut that crease, I'm gonna cut that liner and slice you up like Fruit Ninja, ho. An in-depth cut crease tutorial is coming soon. But as for this liner, you wanna make sure it's in line with your cut crease so it doesn't, you don't really lose the cut crease shape, if I'm making sense. So now I'm using my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to apply that all over the cut crease. And I'm applying my glitter that I got from my good girlfriend Lachelle. It's a yellow glitter, but it also has a green undertone. And I'm just lining my eyes over to, you know, eliminate the glitter that fell on the liner. And now it's time to bake. And girl, I am baking with my black Opal Soft Velvet finishing powder in dark, and I love this powder. Oh my god, when I tell you this gives me that flawless finish, girl, it be having me looking like I'm photo shoot ready, okay? Not flashback ready. Can I get an amen? And me personally, I like to mix contours because I feel like contours for dark skin, they lack the true undertone of the person. Me personally, I am a red undertone, so I like to mix that Juvias Place Izafa and also my Ruby Kisses Contour Artist Palette medium dark, the darkest shade, and I mix those together and it gives me black, girl. Snatch it, Wakanda realness, honey. Are you seeing this? And I'm just brushing off that bake as I am contouring. My roommate is walking by and I am spraying that face, girl. Now, if you know me, you know I do not use anything other than the Inglola by the Crayon Case, girl, because it will have you shining bright like a diamond. And I am putting that all over the places that I highlight, girl. I am throwing shade with this middle finger. If you think I'm wearing too much highlight, this is for you. And yes, that is all. And that is all for this look, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this. Make sure, if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button, and when you do hit that subscribe button, you're gonna see a little bell pop up. It's gonna vibrate your phone a little bit, which is gonna make you feel like you have a notification, but you don't, at least not yet. Be sure to hit that bell button to ensure that you get all of my notifications when I post in a snap. We are almost at 1K, you guys. It's so exciting. We are at 949 subscribers. I don't know if you guys can see that. Remember? Focus. We are 51 away from 1,000. So if you guys are new subscribers, let's get it to 1K. Tell your friends, tell your grandmoms, tell your uncles, aunts, sisters, cousins, mothers, all of them about me, because it's time. It's time. All the products that I used on my face today will be left in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Also, my social media handles will be on there in case you guys don't know how to spell it. You know, they will be there, and also somewhere on the screen. I think preferably I'm gonna put it over here so you guys can check out my handles. I didn't know what to say. That will be all for today's video, and I hope to see you guys again in my next upload. Bye bye, hunty. I need to stop saying that. That is annoying.